Weche mag matatu mating'o jowuoth. Weg nyamburko mating'o jowuoth koro dwaro mondo telo machiwo lesen mar riembo geche odar kuwuok e telo mochung'ne wuoth koda piny NTSA nyaka bad migawo mar tiego rowere NYS. Kotelni kod jakom riwruog weg nyamburko Simon Kimutai, giwacho ni tend apeyni NTSA osebedo kachiwo lesen ne jogo ma ok opwodhi. Gino magiyango ni osenyayo masira mag apeyni ka gimedo ni ka tiegruok mar rowere mar NYS ong'ere kod lony mamalo e tiegruok mag joriemb nyamburko kane gilose kinde romo mar tiegruok gi jokanyo e sekta mar wuoth kod nyamburko KICC buore Nairobi.
Why is it that every time we talk police officer going on the road, they are asking for money? And why is it is only the PSV because they have money? Why can't we come up with the idea of cashless, whereby there is no that money? I think things will change.
The issue of issuing PSV license to drivers on the strength of the age of the license. 4 years, you're told, if you have a 4-year-old license, you're eligible to get a license. And you do get it without testing, being tested, whether you are able to drive. And this now causes problems to us as investors in public transport. This person will come and land from my vehicle. And yet, I'm blamed when an accident occurs. We should blame the people who issue them licenses. The function of issuance of PSV license be removed from NTSA and be taken to an area who have the capacity to taste and classify. National Youth Service is known for producing the best drivers in the country. Why can this function be given to them?